One day, it started raining, and it didn't quit. We've been through every kind of rain there is. Little bit of stinging rain, and big old fat rain. Rain that flew in sideways, and sometimes rain even seemed to come straight up from underneath. Shoot, it even rained at night.
Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. Man, I'm gonna tell you, last weekend was a hard weekend for anything that was outdoor entertainment in the state of Florida. Everything got canceled. I don't think there was a single event I had planned to go to that didn't get canceled. Well, I take that back, there was one, but it was an indoor event, so that don't count. But, yeah, it started raining on Friday evening and didn't stop raining till after dark on Sunday. It was a miserable weekend. Yeah, even the Daytona 500 got postponed till Monday. So, there's not going to be much in the way of car show content this week. I released a video yesterday that was a car show I had left over from the weekend prior. I'm planning to go to 2 car shows this coming weekend. So I'll have some content from that. But to fill in, I guess I'm just going to have to put on some train videos and, of course, this video. So bear with me, because it ain't been easy making content in the rain these last couple of weeks. It seems like every weekend it's raining, or every other weekend or something. It's hard. It's a hard winter this year for outdoor events in Florida. So I'm doing my best to get y'all some content, but you're kind of at the whims of the weather when everything you do is outdoor related. So bear with me. I'll get you some more content as soon as I can. It drives me nuts as much as it does you guys that I can't be out there doing stuff, because, you know, I like going to car shows. I like looking at cars. And I like bringing y'all videos of cars at car shows so y'all can enjoy it and not have to go out there. Or you can see what you missed at a car show you might have wanted to go to. But the weather just has not been cooperating this winter. So hopefully it'll get better real soon. But you never know. I mean, it's just, you're hit and miss with the weather when it comes to outdoor events. So anyway, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy. Peace out, and I'll catch you on the next one. Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.